Relationship Rewrite Method by James Bauer. Relationship Rewrite Method is a step-by-step dating guide that has been designed to help women to win back the love of your man and revitalize the love you both once shared. This guide is not about playing mind games or fake who you really are, but it provides you with expert advice on how to understand men's desire, their craving over women. With this system, you'll able to learn the truth behind what went wrong, what started those long silences, why your man being cold, why he hardened inside, and etc. By knowing all these things, you can prepare a good strategy to encounter those problems. Now I've put a link directly in the description box below. So click the link below to visit official site. Touch your man's emotions. The basic guide of this program is how to rewrite your man emotions by using the magical ratio discussed above. It's work well no matter how long you've been together. Because this method works by doing things that will stimulate his production of dopamine, a chemical brains that cause a feeling of general well-being. Get rid of the past. This guide will help you ensure that your man focus and his attention is completely on you, not at any women from his past. Learn how to push his buttons. This is where you can hook your partner into you. It's a kind of hypnotize where you are the one to control. By using this technique, you will make him commit and devote himself to you. Make him devoted. It's easy for a lot of men's minds to wander to other women, even when they are in a relationship. One of the essential components of this guide revolves around getting him to always be thinking about you. The more infatuated he is with you, the healthier your relationship is going to be long-term. Click the link below for visit official site. The pros. The product is easy to implement and some of the methods are based on actual science. You'll learn a lot on how to keep your man's focus and attention. It's an effective way to virtually guarantee a long and healthy relationship. This guide also can be very helpful if you want to get your love back. It could be from your ex or from the cold relationship. The cons. It's only available in digital format. This program can be quite challenging to implement if you're not a very confident or aggressive person. The method outlined in this guide will require you to take the lead and use every ounce of your strength to apply. For more information, click the link below.